Click on the link below to get price. The dehumidifier for bathroom basements home is an impressive solution for anyone struggling with excess moisture in spaces up to 3,000 square feet. This model stands out due to its efficient moisture removal capabilities, which can extract up to 70 pints of water daily. This is particularly beneficial for areas prone to dampness, such as bathrooms, basements, and laundry rooms. One of the primary features of this dehumidifier is its integrated drain hose, which provides continuous drainage. This means you can set it up and let it run without the hassle of emptying a water tank regularly. The included hose is easy to connect and fits securely, ensuring you won't have to worry about leaks. For those who prefer a manual option, the water tank has a sizable capacity, allowing for significant moisture collection before it needs to be emptied. Noise levels are often a concern with appliances like these, but this model operates quietly, making it suitable for home environments without disrupting daily activities. The fan settings allow you to choose the level of moisture control while keeping the noise to a minimum, which is especially valuable in living spaces where peace and quiet are desired. Another standout feature is its user-friendly interface, which includes a digital display and adjustable humidity settings. You can easily set your desired humidity level, allowing the dehumidifier to work efficiently and maintain optimal conditions in your home. The compact design makes it easy to position in various locations, adding to its versatility. In summary, this dehumidifier is a reliable choice for those needing to combat humidity in large areas. Its combination of efficient moisture removal, quiet operation, and user-friendly features make it a worthwhile investment for maintaining a comfortable and healthy home environment. Overall, this dehumidifier is a powerful ally against dampness, ensuring you can enjoy a fresher and drier living space throughout the year.